Hey there, welcome back. Today we got an interesting problem to tackle. So picture this. You're working in a terminal session using TMUX, and you need to send some text to the standard error of a specific pane. Not the most common task, right? But hey, that's what makes coding exciting, the unexpected challenges that come our way. So, how can we solve this problem and make our lives a bit easier? Let's dive into the solution. To achieve our goal, we can use a nifty bash script that leverages TMUX functionalities. The code snippet provided sets up two variables, TMUX_pane_PID, which extracts the process ID of the current pane using TMUX display message, and TMUX_pane_steer, which constructs the path to the standard error file of that particular process. Then, it simply echoes our desired text and pipes it to the script command, redirecting any errors to the standard error file. Voila! Our text is effectively sent to the desired pane without a hitch. That's the power of scripting and utilizing the tools at our disposal to overcome even the most peculiar challenges. In summary, we've explored a clever solution to a unique problem, harnessing the capabilities of TMUX and bash scripting to achieve our desired outcome. Next time you encounter a quirky coding conundrum, remember to think outside the box and utilize the resources available to you. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Happy coding, and until next time.